Hey there, scent seekers and winter warriors. Are you ready to fill your home with delightful aromas that scream cozy holidays? Today, I'm sharing 8 amazing scent hacks that will transform your space into a fragrant winter wonderland. Let's get started. First up, we have the ultimate simmering stovetop potpourri. This one is super easy and smells divine. Ingredients: water, pine branches, orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cranberries. Instructions: grab a pot and fill it with water, about halfway full. Add in your pine branches, orange slices, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cranberries. It's like a holiday party in a pot. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Let that steam carry the delightful scents throughout your home. Tip: don't forget to add water as needed to keep it going. Experiment with different spices and fruits for varied aromas. Next, let's get crafty with DIY essential oil blends. This is where the magic happens. Ingredients: essential oils, peppermint, pine, eucalyptus, frankincense. Instructions: choose your favorite essential oils. Let's mix it up. Add several drops of your chosen oils into a diffuser, or create a room spray by mixing them with water in a spray bottle. Benefit: this allows you to customize your winter scent experience based on your mood. How cool is that? Now, who doesn't love the smell of freshly baked goods? Here's how to create that aroma without any baking. Ingredients: vanilla extract or spices, cinnamon or nutmeg. Instructions: preheat your oven to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place a baking sheet inside with vanilla extract or spices. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Your home will smell like a bakery in no time. Tip: this is perfect for those days when you want the smell of cookies but don't want to do the work. Next up, let's make a scented holiday garland that looks and smells amazing. Materials: dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, twine. Instructions: thread dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks onto twine. Create a beautiful garland that you can hang on your mantle or around doorways. Benefit: not only does it look festive, but it also fills your space with warm, inviting scents. Now let's cook up some delicious cranberry chutney that will fill your home with sweet and spicy aromas. Ingredients: fresh cranberries, apples, ginger, cinnamon. Instructions: in a pot, combine fresh cranberries, diced apples, ginger, and cinnamon. Add water and cook until it thickens into a chutney. Benefit: not only does this scent up your home, but it also makes for a tasty side dish at holiday meals. Let's elevate our home fragrance game with an upgraded reed diffuser. Materials: a jar carrier oil, like almond or jojoba, essential oils such as cedarwood or clove. Instructions: mix carrier oil with essential oils in your jar. Insert reed sticks into the jar. Flip them weekly for stronger scent diffusion. Tip: choose seasonal scents like pine or cinnamon for that cozy holiday feel. Next up are adorable cinnamon stick bundles, simple yet effective. Materials: bundles of cinnamon sticks, twine. Instructions: tie bundles of cinnamon sticks with twine. Place these bundles in various rooms. They'll release their scent over time. Benefit: they add rustic charm while enhancing the aroma of your home. Last but not least, let's make DIY scent sachets for subtle holiday aromas throughout your home. Materials needed: small fabric bags, dried herbs like rosemary, spices like cloves and citrus peels. Instructions: fill small fabric bags with dried herbs and spices. Place these sachets in drawers, closets, or under pillows for a gentle scent. Tip: customize sachets based on personal preferences for added charm. That's it. 8 cozy winter scent hacks to fill your home with delightful aromas this season. Which hack are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved these ideas, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun DIY projects, and share your own scent hacks in the comments. Stay cozy and happy holidays.